In this video, we will see how to use AI forms. So here we are asking the customers about which product they have ordered, and we are also applying validation. So click on AI form, select authentication, select AI model. Now here under form, you will add the questions you want to ask the user. So name, number, and the third element will be product ordered. So here product ordered by user. Click on validate before accepting. Here you can choose text, email, image, video, PDF or custom values. I'm selecting custom values here and I'm adding kurti, sarees and lehenga. Click on save. I'm changing the maximum tokens to 1500 as I have also added validation. Save this block. In the next block, I'm sending a message mapping all the values that I'm asking. Save this message, save your workflow and enable it. Now let's try it. So I have entered the trigger keyword here. What is your name, number, which product did you order? So it has also sent available options. So I'm writing none. The bot will not accept my answer until and unless I enter one of the custom values. Thank you.